The journey to financial stability and security can be slow if you know things that are draining you financially. It is important that you quickly identify these financial drains and take steps to eliminate or reduce them. This may involve making lifestyle changes, creating a budget, or seeking professional financial advice. In today's video, I'll be sharing what some of those things are and the steps you can take to cut away financial baggage. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please support me by hitting the subscribe button and turning on notifications so you'll always know when there's a new video here. There are many things that can drain you financially. Some of the most common ones include high rent or mortgage payments. Paying a large portion of your income on housing expenses can leave you with very little money for other things. This can lead to financial stress and make it difficult to save for emergencies or long-term goals, such as retirement. It's important to carefully consider your housing expenses and find ways to reduce them if possible. Evaluate your monthly earnings and choose a house that you can comfortably pay for the next 2 to 3 years at least. It might not be your dream house, but you must remember that walking the road to financial freedom requires making a lot of sacrifices. Debt. If you have credit card debt, student loans, or other loans, paying them off can be a major drain on your finances. Do as much as you can to avoid taking on debts. If you really need to borrow, take what you can pay back in a short time and have a solid payment plan. It is important to create a budget and prioritize your debt payments based on interest rates and minimum payments. Consider consolidating your loans or seeking help from a financial advisor to develop a plan to become debt-free. Car payments. Car payments can be a significant expense, especially if you have a high-end vehicle or are financing it for a long period of time. It is important to consider your budget and financial goals before committing to a car payment. You may want to explore options such as buying a used car or leasing instead of financing a new vehicle. Food and groceries. The cost of food and groceries can add up quickly, especially if you eat out often or buy expensive ingredients. Check the ways the cost of food and groceries affects you financially and cut off the items you really don't need and can do without. Buying things on impulse can quickly drain your budget too. Eat more homemade meals and pack a lunch to work instead of eating out. You can also plan your meals in advance and buy your groceries in bulk to save money. Another option is to look for promos and coupons at your local grocery store or try shopping at discount retailers. Entertainment and leisure activities. Going out to eat, going to the movies, or traveling can all be expensive and quickly drain your budget. However, there are many affordable alternatives, such as cooking at home, streaming movies online, or exploring local attractions that can be just as enjoyable and budget-friendly. With a little creativity and planning, you can still have fun without breaking the bank. Medical expenses. Unexpected medical expenses can be a major financial drain, especially if you don't have health insurance. It is important to prioritize your health and consider investing in a health insurance plan that fits your budget and needs to avoid the burden of unexpected medical bills. Eat healthy and exercise more often. Prioritize your rest as prevention costs lesser than maintenance. Home repairs and maintenance. Owning a home can be expensive, especially if you have to make major repairs or renovations. However, it can also be a wise investment in the long run, as property values tend to appreciate over time. Additionally, owning a home provides a sense of stability and the freedom to make it your own. To cut down on the way home maintenance might drain you financially, allocate a small part of your income to savings for repairs. This way, you'll always have some cash available for taking care of unplanned repairs. Subscriptions and memberships. Paying for monthly subscriptions or memberships can add up over time and be a drain on your finances. It is important to regularly review your subscriptions and memberships to determine if they are still necessary or if there are more affordable alternatives available. For example, you can decide to do your workouts at home and cancel your gym membership. Additionally, consider negotiating with service providers for better rates or canceling services that are not being used. Cutting down financial baggage can be a daunting task, but it is important to take steps to improve your financial situation. Here are some ways to cut down on financial baggage. Create a budget. Start by creating a budget that tracks your income and expenses. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back on spending. Make sure to include all sources of income and categorize your expenses to get a clear picture of your financial situation. Additionally, consider setting specific financial goals to work towards while sticking to your budget. Cut unnecessary expenses. Review your expenses and look for areas where you can cut back. Cancel subscriptions and memberships that you don't use or need. Reduce your dining out or entertainment expenses, and avoid impulse buying. Pay off debt. Make a plan to pay off any outstanding debt, starting with high-interest debt. Consider debt consolidation or balance transfer options to lower your interest rates and make payments more manageable. Build an emergency fund. Start setting aside money for unexpected expenses, such as car repairs or medical bills. Aim to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses in an emergency fund. Look for ways to increase your income. Consider taking on a part-time job or finding ways to earn extra income. This can help you pay off debt faster and build your savings. Review your insurance coverage. Review your insurance policies and make sure you have the coverage you need at a price you can afford. Shop around for better rates if necessary. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, avoid increasing your spending at the same rate. Instead, save or invest the extra money to build your wealth over time. By taking these steps, you can start to cut down on financial baggage and improve your financial situation over time. Remember, it's important to be patient and persistent. Financial improvement takes time and effort. I hope this video has helped identify some financial baggage you may be carrying and given you tips on how to cut them off. Which one will you be starting with today? Let me know in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share with someone too. Thank you for watching.